Now we are gonna cover some sentences for birthday shopping. Okay? So under the shopping conversations, our first sentence says, Mom, I'm leaving now for the birthday shopping. Mom, I'm leaving now for the birthday shopping. Now repeat the sentence. Next sentence says, please let me know if you need anything extra. Please let me know if you need anything extra. Now look, here in this sentence, instead of saying let me, I said let me, because this is the connected form of let me. In casual conversation, instead of saying let me, we say let me. Let me. Please let me know if you need anything extra. Now repeat the sentence yourself. Next sentence is, which market do you think has better decoration shops? Which market do you think has better decoration shops? Now repeat the sentence yourself. Now next sentence says, I think the city market has more variety this season. I think the city market has more variety this season. Now repeat the sentence yourself. And our next sentence says, the wholesale market might be cheaper for bulk purchases. The wholesale market might be cheaper for bulk purchases. Now repeat the sentence. Now our next sentence says, should we buy the cake from the old bakery? Instead of saying should we, just say should we. Should we. Because should we is a little bit formal and it's written English, but you are practicing spoken English. So just say should we. Should we. Should we buy the cake from the old bakery? Should we buy the cake from the old bakery? Practice the sentence yourself. Next sentence says, that party supply store downtown has great balloon designs. That party supply store downtown has great balloon designs. Now repeat the sentence. Now our next sentence says, let's go to the supermarket first for food items. Let's go to the supermarket first for food items. Now repeat the sentence yourself. And our next sentence says, how much is this pack of balloons? How much is this pack of balloons? Now repeat the sentence. Now next sentence says, can you give a better price if I buy 2 packs? Can you give a better price if I buy 2 packs? Now repeat the sentence yourself. Our next sentence says, that seems a bit expensive. Can you reduce it? That seems a bit expensive. Can you reduce it? Practice the sentence yourself. And our next sentence says, if I take the lights and ribbons together, will you give me discounts? If I take the lights and ribbons together, will you give me discounts? Practice the sentence yourself. Now our next sentence says, let's find the nearest ATM before buying more items. Let's find the nearest ATM before buying more items. Practice the sentence yourself. Now our next sentence says, I hope the ATM has enough cash today. I hope the ATM has enough cash today. Now repeat the sentence. Now our next sentence says, finally got the money. Let's continue our shopping. Instead of saying our, just say our. Let's continue our shopping. So repeat the sentence. Finally got the money. Let's continue our shopping.